Welcome to day 20 of our 28-day Shifting States in Tai Chi Flows challenge. Today we're going to be doing Tai Chi walking, Tai Chi stepping, Tai Chi stances. We've already done one of the Tai Chi principles, playing with empty and full whenever we open. So my feet are relatively close together. Whenever I shift my weight fully to my right foot, I can lift up my left foot. Right now, my right foot is full of all my weight. My left foot is empty of my weight. I can place it, open. Now in Wuji, I'm 50-50. One of the only times that we're 50-50. And we're constantly moving, even though we're slowly moving. So some of these might be seen as a stance if we linger too long, or a step. So the T stance or the T step is if we shift our weight back to the right. This one, it's like we're tapping, not with our toes, but with the ball of the foot. Momentarily resting just a little bit of our weight before we go out into another stance, Wuji, or another stance. If we shift our weight to the left, we can come in T, 50-50, Wuji, T stance, T step. We can also step out, and these steps are going to be small steps, not low, and roll the heel to toe. And then back. T stance. Now I could go low and slow, more of a full lunge, but that might not be comfortable. If you want more of a leg workout, for sure do this. We want 60% of our weight on the front. We want 40% on the back. And if we shift our weight back, then we can come back to the T stance, T step, back to Wuji. So let's take smaller steps for that. Shifting weight, stepping out, shifting weight forward, shifting weight back. Now, as I shift my weight back, all the weight is on my right. Now, my left, the toe can come up. The toe can go down like a cat stance. It can come back in, T, Wuji. So when we step side to side, come in, down, step out the ball of the foot, down to the heel, shift weight, bring in the foot, heel down, heel up, out, down, shift, in, down, out, down. Stepping forward into that bow arrow stance. Shift the weight to the left, turn out the right, 45 degrees, come in T stance, step, weight forward, weight to the back, turn the toe, come up, tap, forward, back. Now, stepping backwards, we first shift our weight back. We can bring that foot back in and tap, and then back. Or we can get rid of these taps. So we can half circle forward, half circle back. Come back home to Wuji position. And close.